Wow, look at this. Like a brand new haircut. Beautiful. The rewards of hard work. The thing is, when you enjoy your work, in my case this, then it's not work. It's only work if you don't want to be doing it or don't want to be there. So check out this beautiful haircut that I gave the front yard. The pomegranate 1 and 2 are gonna benefit immensely with all the mulch, the lawn clippings, and just the beauty of maintenance, the beauty of getting into it, and the results. Look at this, guys. Took me just over an hour. Got the bananas back out onto the gravel. They were on the grass for the last couple of months as I was doing some work on the house. So they're back out now where they belong. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Black Sapote too, returning back to life after I don't know what happened to it back in spring. Well, now it's springing back to life. I thought it was a goner because I've got one dead branch here. I think I showed you this about a month ago. Another dead branch here, and dead branch here. Oh, and a dead branch there. So 4 main branches that were dead. I didn't cut them off. They say it's better to leave dead things on the tree until it's recovered. And guess what? It's recovered. We have not lost the Black Sapote. We'll never know what happened to it. It went into some kind of funk in spring, in October, November. But looking good. Looking good now. Welcome back. Yeah, all along the main trunk. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. And welcome back. And that's the tree I'm talking about, by the way, the Black Sapote, which also got heaps of mulch from the lawn clippings. See that? I've discussed that in another video. Huge tip to take on board if you have grass to mow. So we did a beautiful job cleaning up the mess. I do this every month in spring, summer and autumn. This is the Indian white guava, and hello to you too. Look at that, coming back to life. Beautiful. Look how beautiful the guava is. Hang on, let me get out of the light. Look at that. And look at all the buds. Very, very prolific. I was talking to one of the regulars on the channel regarding guavas, and these white guavas are not sweet here in Melbourne. I don't know if it's the climate or if it's the variety of guava. They're sort of on the sour side. They have a hint of sweetness, just a hint. But what I would like is a totally sweet white guava. And he reckons that the Thai white from Thailand is sweet. I might get one and try it out, because this Indian white is definitely far from sweet. Even when you let it ripen on the tree fully and it falls off, it's still not sweet. Not a problem, because guavas can be eaten both in a sweet method and sour. That's how they do it in India. In India, they eat guava is sour, where the fruit is the sweetest in the world. All right, so look at that, beautiful, beautiful. Everything looking superb again after we mowed the lawn. This is the Paxton Prolific custard apple. Nam Roy pomelo, which has no fruit this year. It took a year off. That's all right. It'll grow into a big boy. And here with this white sapote, which I showed you in the previous video, since I mowed, a lot more fruit fell off. Look at that. Look at that. How's that for abundance and prolific? So yeah, grow your own fruit, guys, where you can afford to have the fruit fall on the ground, because there's too much of it. Too much of it. Look at that. That's what we want. We want fruit trees that are providing too much fruit. That's the kind of fruit you want to grow. Too much fruit. That's the problem I have in this garden. I get too much fruit. Not too much sickness or too much failure, but too much fruit. That's the problem that you want to have, growing your own fruit. And speaking of guava, here's the lemon guava, getting bigger and bigger every year, more prolific. It's called the yellow cherry guava in Australia and New Zealand. But the lemon guava, the sweetest guava of all guavas that I have. Yeah, this little thing, it's tiny, it's the size of an olive. Olive-sized guavas. Look at this, very prolific. Look at that. Look at that. Amazing. Everywhere. All around. Every stem. Literally, well, definitely over 100. Definitely over 100. These come in March, at the end of summer. Look at that. Olive size, but wow, a lot sweeter than the pink guava and the Indian white. So it's always good to have different varieties, guys, of fruit. Guava, white sapote, avocado, mango, plums. Why not? Have fun with it. Yeah, as soon as it starts to get warm and wet, all the tropical beauty comes back. That's how it works. That's why the tropics are so beautiful. It's always raining there in the warmer months, which are, summertime. Here in Melbourne, like I've said a few times, it's dry. Our summers are dry. We don't have wet summers. Our wet season is in winter. That's the problem with growing tropical fruit trees in a temperate climate. So the reason I can grow what I'm growing here is because I'm on top of it. I provide all the water I can when plants need it, and I back off when they don't need it. In other words, I'm like an adjustment, the adjustment guy, the adjuster. And if you don't put that effort into it, you won't have success with tropical plants in a temperate climate. Someone has to be there all year doing this and that, this and that. It's not like the tropics where it happens automatically and you can sort of go on vacation. I can't leave here in summer. I'm permanently fixed. But in winter I can get away. So next is to mow the back lawn, and the back lawn takes 3 times as long as the front lawn, because it's double the size, actually triple the size. So all these guys will be cleaned up. Next, all this mess, which happens because of the wind, because of the birds. The birds, oh my God. See all the leaves that drop? This is the pink guava, which is also flowering. Beautiful time. It's always a beautiful time in the garden, any season. Pink guava, also known as the Hawaiian guava. Beautiful. Full of blooms. Full of blooms. Look how beautiful they are. Are you kidding me? There's nothing more beautiful than a tropical fruit garden or tropical plants. Even they're nice too, like the ones over here, the bougainvilleas and canna lilies. If that's all you can do, well, that's beautiful too. But if you can get into the fruit, well, even better. That's the ice cream bean and the Hawaiian guava, which rewards us in winter. These are ready in winter. So is the ice cream bean. That's also ready in winter. We have a lot of tropical abundance here in winter. It's not only in summer. And now in summer, it's the cold weather fruit, like these apricots. Well, I already had a few of them. They're so good. Much bigger and sweeter and better everything than the dwarf variety apricot that we had a couple of weeks ago. Yeah, but the parrots have found them. So I've got to come out here and do a lot more work. They're always keeping me busy. And then we have all these subtropical pepinos that are coming, and some of them are ready. I had a couple of these too earlier after I mowed the lawn. So I snack out here in between meals, in between plant-based meals, that is. I'm not sure if you guys know already, but I'm vegan together with my wife. We have a vegan lifestyle, and that's what motivated us to go into plant growing plants and traveling the world wherever there's beautiful tropical fruit like this like this beautiful mango. Look at that. Oh, by the way, today I moved also a lot of the tropical trees into this open space where it's sunny all day, because under the ice cream bean over there, they only get filtered light in the afternoon, right? No light at all in the morning, none. So I brought them all here, well, not all of them, half of them, around the Kensington Pride to give them full sun, such as the Abiu, Alfonso mango. Look at it, it's drooping. I think it needs more light. And the egg fruit, Rollinia, and so on. So guys, I hope that inspires you to go tropical or go tropo like I did 10 years ago, and even better, to go vegan. At least try 1 month of vegan for the month of January as a challenge. The benefits outweigh any non-benefits. You can look into it yourself. Okay, I hope you like this video, and please give it a like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you haven't. See you from the next video.